Welcome to episode 2 in this new series I've created called Fitness Journey plus Teacher Talk. We're wasting time. Hello, Hotties. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, let me introduce myself. I'm Ali Mack, and I'm currently a 7th grade math teacher. I am so excited that you're here watching my video today. So this vlog covers Saturday and Monday. I give you snapshots of what I'm doing for fitness. I also talk and show you how I take care of myself. And if you decide to watch and listen to this video, you'll see that music plays a huge part in my daily activities. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. While you're here, please click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. Do it now, please. And of course, happy Pride Month. Happy Pride Month. Happy Pride Month. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the vlog. I'm ready if you are.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence.
I thought my scale was wrong this morning because I was like, how did I lose that much weight in just a couple of days? I don't get it. Unless my theory about the school food being set up to fatten up children is accurate. Usually when I eat the school's food, I gain a bunch of weight. I did not gain a bunch of weight this time, but I think it's because, and I don't know if there's any relationship, but as soon as I got COVID, I started having trouble swallowing. So like anything like bread or crackers or anything dry, like I'll be eating and it'll feel like it's stuck in my throat. And when I finally get it out, I just, it's like the worst feeling in the world. So I'm thinking maybe that's why I haven't gained as much weight, because I've been really chewing up my food and eating it really carefully. And perhaps maybe that I've just been eating salads and stew the last few days. Maybe it's less fattening than what I was eating in the cafeteria, and I'm eating it the same way as far as chewing it up really well before swallowing and making sure I get plenty of liquids. I don't know. Or maybe my scale is wrong, but I just don't see it. And I know you probably saw that I set my new goal to 180. I'm not sure if that's a big enough goal, but I'm not really in this too much for the weight loss because I'm where I want to be weight-wise. However, I do want to be toned, and I do want to have, I want to be muscle. I want to be able to, if someone says, hey, let's go hiking, or hey, let's go on a bike ride, I can just feel like, okay, I got this, So I'm about to exercise. I'm going to keep an eye on my weight. And I think I'm also going to give myself a haircut and a pedicure, because let's face it, my toes are not looking good, but it doesn't matter.
The point is about seeing the scale, not my ugly toes, so just ignore all that.
Feeling really sore around here. I guess it's all those punches and twists. And so I'm basically going to do my legs today. But first, I need to get out of this outfit that I wore as pajamas last night. Okay, so I'm all dressed. I've got my water ready. And I was just thinking as I was changing that maybe the swelling thing was before I got COVID, but it got worse after COVID. Maybe my overeating throughout my life has made my swallowing muscles wrong. I don't know. And I can't really remember, because that's another thing. My memory is like, it's like it's shot. I don't know, but I've been trying to play little games with myself to get my memory back. Anyway, I'm about to exercise, so wish me luck. That was amazing. Sorry, my hands are shaking. I love Brienne and her workouts. She pushes you hard, but she gives you like mini breaks throughout. And then she gives you all this amazing motivation while you're doing it. And it's just, I feel so good right now. And I feel like instead of being hard on my body for not being able to do stuff, she suggested thanking your body for getting you through it and being so good for you.
Also, she reminds us to smile while we work out. And I was having trouble smiling, but next time I'll do my best to remember. Maybe I'll write it on my little whiteboard. Smile, Ali, you know. I don't know if you've noticed, there's something new I started doing. I started filming my favorite exercise during the workout. So in this particular workout, this was my favorite one. It's called a jack and twist, and if you do enough of those, you'll be out of breath. Anyway, so I need to give myself some self-love today. Like I said, my hair needs trimming and my toenails. And of course a shower. So I'll check back in with you guys later.
I'm always against me. Seems like this is never ending, and I refuse to let it end me. Mentally, spiritually, physically, I need my peace. Oh, I need my peace. I wake up every morning and tell myself, good morning, gorgeous. Sometimes you gotta look in the mirror and say, good morning, gorgeous. No one else can make me feel this way. Good morning, gorgeous. Good morning, gorgeous. Good morning, gorgeous. All the times that I hated myself, all the times that I wanted to be someone else, all the times that I should have been gentle with me, all the times that I should have been careful with me. Why did I hate myself? Why did I hate so intensely? Lord help me. I wake up every morning and tell myself, good morning, gorgeous. Sometimes I gotta look in the mirror and say, good morning, gorgeous. No one else can make me feel this way. Good morning, gorgeous. Good morning, gorgeous. Good morning, gorgeous. I ain't talking about getting no hair and makeup. I'm talking about soon as I wake up, I say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, y'all. Did you see the scale? That's normally what I have been weighing. So I don't know if my scale was just off yesterday or what, but to be fair though, I ate the most heavy peanut butter and jelly sandwich on the planet. Extra peanut butter, extra jelly. I used apple yesterday. And I also had a Twix bar. I don't know if yesterday was right and I just ate so much yesterday it made it wrong, or right again. You know what I'm trying to say. Sorry, just woke up. And every part of me is sore except for my abs. So I guess that's what I'm going to work on today with one of my most favorite exercises from Fit On. So let me get to it before I'm not in the mood. Let's be real, I'm not in the mood now. But I have learned that if you're working out from home like I am, just make yourself push play. Just push play. A better mood is only 20 minutes away, or however long the fitness is. And that's another thing. I used to think that I had to work out at least 30 minutes to be effective. I have found that with these exercises that I've been doing, and I'm not a sponsor of Fit On or whatever, I just really like their product. I have noticed that they get your intensity up where it is effective and it is working what you need to work. So that's what I've been going with. Also, I used to feel like whenever they were doing reps and they would do like 20 in one set, I felt like I had to do 20. But I have also found that as long as I'm doing the motion of the reps, I might be going way slower than the instructor, but as long as I'm doing it the whole time they're counting, it doesn't matter if I only do 12 or whatever. So That's a helpful tip if you're like me and you feel like you have to get every single one they do. It's okay to listen to your body and go with what you can do as long as you're giving it your best. Okay, let me get this done. By far the best ab workout ever. Now I need to get cooled off and go do the dishes I forgot to do last night. So I forgot to do my chores last night, so I figured I will tell you a story of my first student that I ever had that gave me trouble. This was at a school in Jackson, and this particular child was known at this school. It was a private school, and he was a jerk. He was a jerk to everybody, and he thought he knew more than the teachers. So we'll call him Jay. So Jay, I believe, is the one who put the big gash in my car that I'd only had like a week. But I had heard stories about him, so I kind of went in knowing how to handle him, so to speak. I played into his ego. People with big egos love it when you do that. So I played into his ego, and I'm like, oh, so you should be an attorney, huh? And he agreed with me. And the funniest thing is, in my math class, he had 2 note cards, and he taped them under his shorts, and he was bragging to all his classmates that he was going to cheat on his chemistry test. So I heard that, of course, and I went and told the dean that what he was going to do. So she went in the class during his chemistry test and stood behind him as he took the test. And obviously he couldn't cheat, and he failed the chemistry test, and I don't know why, but I think that's hilarious. And I told him, yeah, that was me. How stupid are you? But I didn't say that. But how stupid are you to talk about your plans to cheat in front of another teacher? But I didn't say how stupid are you. I forgot what I said. But shortly after that, I had a big gash in my car. So this vlog is getting a little long, so I think we're going to end it here. So I will see you in the next one. As you can see, that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, informative, or even entertaining, maybe it inspired you just a little bit, please like, share, and subscribe. And for the comments, let's show the members of the LGBTQ plus community some love. So please comment below a rainbow. And as always, I know I get a little generic when I say these. I really appreciate you stopping by my video and watching it. It really means the world to me. And I make these for myself, but just having 1 or 2 people watch them and show me some love, it literally makes my day. So thank you for making my day, and I hope you have the best day ever. Goodbye.